Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will dive into the best anime of 2024. From thrilling action to heartwarming stories, discover the top picks that you can't miss this year. Let's explore the must-watch anime of 2024. Number 5. Kaiju Number 8. Kaiju Number 8 is a gripping anime set in a world surrounded by monstrous creatures known as kaiju. The story follows Kafka Hibinu, a sanitation worker with dreams of joining the defense force to fight these colossal beasts. However, Kafka's life takes an unexpected turn when he is caught in a kaiju attack and gains the ability to transform into a powerful kaiju himself. Instead of turning into a monster, Kafka gains incredible abilities, becoming Kaiju Number 8. Now, he fights alongside the defense force, hiding his true identity. The anime masterfully blends action, humor, and emotional depth, exploring Kafka's journey as he struggles with his new powers and the secrets surrounding his transformation. With dynamic animation and engaging characters, Kaiju Number 8 captivates viewers with its gripping storyline and intense battles against monstrous foes. Number 4. Windbreaker. The story centers around Haruka Sakura, a high school student known for his exceptional athletic abilities, especially in cycling. He transfers to Furen High School, which is notorious for its delinquent students. However, these delinquents are united by their passion for protecting their town and its residents, forming a group known as the Windbreakers. Haruka initially clashes with the Windbreakers, but gradually becomes involved in their activities. The anime explores themes of friendship, loyalty, and community, and action-packed confrontations. The characters are well developed, each with their unique backstories and motivations. With its engaging storyline and relatable characters, Windbreaker appeals to fans of sports and action genres, offering an inspiring tale of teamwork and personal growth. Number 3. Martial Magic and Muscles. Martial Magic is a unique anime that blends magical fantasy with comedy. Set in a world where magic is everything, the story centers on Marsh Burndead, a young man born without magical abilities. Despite this, Marsh aspires to live peacefully with his adoptive father. To achieve this, he must become a divine visionary, a prestigious title at the Eastern Magic Academy. Using only his incredible physical strength, Marsh fakes his way through magical challenges, defeating powerful enemies and confounding his magical peer. In Season 1, Marsh enrolls in the academy and begins his journey, overcoming various trials and making friends and foes. His brute strength and non-magical approach to solving problems set him apart in this magical world. Season 2 delves deeper into Marsh's origins, revealing his real father, Innocent Zero, a powerful villain with dark intentions. The plot thickens as Marsh confronts new challenges and enemies while uncovering secrets about his past. Number 2. My Hero Academia. My Hero Academia is a popular anime series set in a world where nearly everyone has superpowers, known as quirks. The story follows Izuku Midoriya, a quirkless boy who dreams of becoming a great hero like his idol, All Might. Despite his lack of powers, Midoriya is chosen by All Might to inherit his quirk, One for All, and attends UA High School to train and become a hero. In Season 7, the plot focuses on the intense conflict between heroes and the Paranormal Liberation Front, a powerful villain organization led by Tomura Shigaraki. As Shigaraki undergoes a terrifying transformation, gaining even more destructive power, the heroes prepare for an all-out war. Midoriya, along with his classmates from Class 1A, faces increasingly dangerous challenges as they strive to protect society. Number 1. Solo Leveling. The story is set in a world where portals called gates connect Earth to realms full of monsters. Hunters, people with special abilities, are tasked with defeating these creatures to protect humanity. The protagonist, Sung Jin-woo, starts as an E-rank hunter, the weakest of all, often called the world's weakest hunter. He struggles through life-threatening missions due to his lack of power. However, during a particularly dangerous dungeon raid, Jin-woo faces a near-death experience. Instead of dying, he awakens with the mysterious ability, a system that allows him to level up in power, like a game character. With this newfound ability, Jin-woo begins his journey from being the weakest to becoming the strongest hunter. He faces numerous challenges, battles powerful monsters, and uncovers dark secrets about the dungeon and the true nature of his world. Throughout his journey, Jinwoo's character evolves from a timid, powerless individual to a confident, almost invincible hero. Solo leveling combines action, adventure, and fantasy elements, creating a gripping tale of personal growth and relentless pursuit of power. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this list of the best 2024 anime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Share your favorites in the comments below. See you next time.